Hi friends. Welcome back to our channel. So friends, today we have brought for you low pass filter board. This board is based on Solon key topology. Solon key low pass filters are the most popular second order active low pass filter, with filter characteristics such as high input impedance, good stability, and low output impedance. Since it operates from a single supply, you can use this in any single supply amplifier to make a 2.1. If you already have stereo 4440 amplifier and want to make 2.1, then take this type of mono 4440 amplifier and connect low pass filter board in the input to drive subwoofer. You can adjust frequency 20 Hz to 300 Hz by rotating potentiometer. Friends, if you like this video, then give one like. You have to connect a 50K dual potentiometers here. Don't increase the value of potentiometer. Use only 50K or 47K. Here you have to use 3mm LED. This circuit based on the 5532 dual op-amp IC. So let's see how to connect it. You have to feed stereo signal to its input. It can be from any audio source. And the mono output from this board is to be given in the input of the amplifier. You can give from 12 volt to 24 volt DC in this board. It should be a regulated supply. So friends, if you have any suggestion or questions regarding this board, then comment below. If you want PDF, then contact us through mail. And don't forget to attach screenshot of the board. Thanks for watching.